What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the shift solenoid assembly. There's the brand new one, and it mounts like this on the bottom side, or actually top side. Well, if it's in the transmission, it's the top side, but on the valve body, on the pump assembly, valve body pump assembly. And this is your shift solenoid assembly. One second, I'll lift it up and flip it over so y'all can see.
Exchange those other 5 on the top for 5 good ones.
Alright guys, here's the old valve body assembly. The solenoids are bad inside of it. Here's the brand new one, and there it is unbolted from the base of the valve body assembly. I'm sorry, I called that the valve body assembly. Here's your old solenoid assembly with the electronic governor. And here's the new one here. And there's your plug. And this is the old one. Now we're going to bolt it on back onto the plate assembly. Right back with you. There we go, guys. Here's the new shift solenoid assembly. Replaced with the shifter selector plate. There's the old one with the old electronic solenoid assembly. There's the new one with, like I said, the shifter selector plate. It's all installed onto the valve body assembly. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Make sure you hit that share button. Y'all have a blessed day.